everybody, it's Michelle again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. And as usual, I can't talk today. I don't know what it is. After taking 2 months off, I cannot get my lips to work. So I apologize for that. But as you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a goth makeup tutorial. Now, I was inspired by my good friend Barbie. Barbie has a channel here on YouTube. It's called Free to Be Me Barbie. And I will link her channel in the description box below. She has done several goth makeup tutorials in the past, and I had been watching a few, as well as our collab that we had done a few months back, our Dark Side of Beauty collab. I will also link that down below. And I was inspired to go ahead and do another goth tutorial. Now, as you can tell, this is a little bit out of the box for me. I don't tend to wear a lot of makeup, especially like this, goth makeup. But I was inspired by watching her videos because I absolutely love her. She is my bestie, and I just wanted to go ahead and do one today. So here it is. I hope you enjoy it. I know it's a lot going on the eyes and the lips, and then the cheeks. There's not too much going on the cheeks, so that balances everything out. And go ahead and play some music and do a tutorial that way as instead of a voiceover, because I think it will be easier. And let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So let's rewind back to the beginning so we can get started. Okay, so that was the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate that. Also remember to hit that notification bell down below so you'll be apprised of all of my videos in the future. And if you like these kinds of videos, if you want more goth tutorials, please give me a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate that so I know you're enjoying them. Just a little side note with this makeup, I am using a kohl pencil, so the smudgier it gets, the better it looks. So the kohl pencil will move and move and move and look more slept in, so it looks a little bit better as the day goes on. So if you want to wear this type of makeup, go ahead, rock it out. I am surely going to wear it today and go out and about and do my chores, and I will take a few pictures and insert them there at the end of the video so you can see what my makeup has looked like during the day. And also thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao everybody, I love you. Bye bye.